Hi guys, we are back again after a long time and we're sort of late for this challenge, but then better late than never, right? And we're kind of excited and nervous for this challenge. And guess which challenge is it? It's the Spicy Ramen Challenge. So we have one packet for each one of us, right? So, and the rule is that we're not supposed to drink water until and unless we finish the whole bowl. Do you think you can do it?
Yes, I think so. Let's see.
Okay, let's try. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Oh, spicy too. Oh shit. You're gonna get sick after this. Okay, so Ajahn, squeeze it properly. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. I don't think I can do this. Now I think I have to back up. Do you think you can finish this, Ajahn? People say you have to like eat fast so that you don't feel the burn inside. So I don't know. Okay. Okay then, we are ready to start.
Begin.
1, 2. Oh my god, I'm so scared. 1, 2, 3. Not that spicy.
Too busy eating. You. 아, 먹으라 했었다.
No. Each packet low.
Yummy. My lips are Burning. Yeah. God, she's too fast. Oh God, see.
Mm.
Slowly. Now,
That's a challenge, bro.
lips. Burning as hell. So. I quit. No.
You have to finish it, okay? Even though I'm the winner.
Rushing already.
Oh my god, I can't wait to taste this.
Come on, I can do it. I can do it.
We surely have lose motion
I
later.
can do it. Look.
And the lights out. What the fuck?
Oh.
The lights gone. That's so bad.
Okay.
They clearly saw the winner. Ding, 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 ding.
I'm almost there, okay?
We should have added dali, right? It's not that spicy.
Yeah.
So I guess Tinder like it.
Yeah.
Excuse me, I just burped. Okay then,
Okay.
cheers.
Cheers.
I'm the
Finally,
winner.
as always, she's the winner.
Promise naman kita dila dali nimbigan sa.
Sweet. Okay, done now.
Okay then guys, that's it for today, and I hope you guys liked it. And we enjoyed a lot as well. Oh, Tibetan people, you know what she just did. Okay then guys, I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys.